How to send music on iPhone messages. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll be talking about how you can send music on iPhone messages. So before we begin with that, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new video. So now let's begin. First step, open up your message app. Then head over to any messages that you want. Then after you're there, what you'll see is you'll notice the text area, and right beside it you'll find the plus icon. Tap on the plus icon right there and you can simply scroll down. Then right here you will find an option that says music. All you have to do is tap on the music option, and now you can simply start sharing whichever music that you've listened. So here you can simply listen to music and it will start appearing here, which you can simply select and then start sharing. And it's basically that simple guys, and that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye bye, take care.